So let's talk about the two-stack study. I like the two-stack study actually for something that is very, very, very rote, like vocabulary, spelling, facts, like things you have to know like this. So it could even be your students, you know, if they're learning good old multiplication table, or they have to learn fractions, or they have to learn the capitals of all the states, or you're studying for your ACT and SAT and you're learning vocab words. So that's what I really like these for. And how this works is this way. You're going to start your day, so let's say on a Monday, with about 20 cards for whatever it is you're learning. So you're going to maybe take concepts from your notes, or maybe you were given a vocab sheet, and you're going to make 20 words. And what you're going to do, and this is what I love also about it, is it takes like 3 minutes a day. You're going to go through those 20 flashcards. What you do not know stays with you. What you knew like the back of your hand now goes into what I call your weekly stack. You're going to put them away. You're not going to look at them until Saturday or Sunday. Now it's Tuesday, and you only have, let's say, 10 cards in your stack because you knew those 10 concepts really well, and those are in your weekly stack. You're now going to make 10 more cards, or 15. I don't really like you to have more than 25 cards for a two-stack study. I think it gets too unruly. And again, it can depend on how old you are, how many cards. If you're an older student, college student, you probably could have 25 or 30. If you're younger, I'm thinking 20 is plenty. So you're only going to make 10 cards because for our purposes, we're going to use 20 as our amount. So you're only going to make 10 more cards. So now your daily stack is up to 20 again. And you're going to go through the whole pile again. And whatever you knew, you're going to put in that weekly. And you're going to do this every day of the week.